Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll quickly explain how to change a workgroup name to organize your computers and avoid network clutter. The default workgroup name in all Windows systems is Workgroup. While the default name is very useful for creating, configuring, and joining workgroups, it can also cause a lot of confusion and difficulty when managing multiple computers. Changing the workgroup name helps you organize and identify computers on the same local network more easily. It reduces confusion, prevents conflicts when multiple PCs use the default workgroup, and makes network management and file sharing smoother and more secure. It also helps avoid NetBIOS name conflicts resulting from multiple computers using the same default workgroup. Let's start step by step. The easiest way to change a workgroup name is through System Properties. Type View Advanced System Settings in the search bar and open it to access the classic System Properties window. This is the quickest way to change a computer's name and workgroup. Then click the Computer Name tab. This section will show you the full current computer name and whether the computer is within a domain or workgroup. To change the computer name or workgroup name, click the Change button to open a dialog box that allows you to rename the computer or change the workgroup. In the Member of section, you'll find two options, Domain and Workgroup. Choose Workgroup and type a descriptive name for the workgroup. Enter a short and meaningful name. Make sure the name is less than 15 characters long and avoid spaces, special characters, numbers, and hyphens. A unique and short name prevents NetBIOS problems and makes detection easier. Then click the OK button and wait for the welcome message for the new group. Then click OK on all dialog boxes until they close. Windows will prompt you to restart to confirm and save the new workgroup name. Click the Restart Now button to apply the new workgroup name, and after restarting, we'll verify that the workgroup name has been changed. Open the classic System Properties window again. Click the Computer Name tab, and you'll see that the workgroup name has been changed to the new name. That's all for today's video. Changing the workgroup name in Windows 11 is quick and makes managing your local network much easier. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.